we have the package. It's for you too. Let's go and open it. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's pawnkueen, and today this video is for you. Yes, all 100,000 of you amazing people who made this moment possible. I'm so excited right now. You have no idea. Look at this. This box right here is something I've dreamed about since I started the channel. Before I show you what's inside, I just want to say from the bottom of my heart, thank you. Thank you to each and every one of you who subscribed, liked, commented, and just believed in pawnkueen. Without you, this wouldn't be happening. Okay, I'm gonna unbox it. Okay, ready? Oh. Oh wow, look at this. Congratulations on your subscriber milestone. We are honored to take part in recognizing your achievement and want your experience to be exceptional. This award was inspected and packaged with great care by Rick. Okay, cool. Hey. Oh, and I got the letter. Do you remember your first subscriber, your 100th, or your 1000th subscriber? Chances are you do. Yes, I do. And we know that you will definitely remember your 100,000 subscriber. Yes. We're proud to honor your impressive milestones of reaching 100,000 subscribers with the Silver Creator Award. Congratulations. This is amazing. Okay, now the silver button. Wow, look. This is the silver plate. Presented to pawnkueen. Wow, that's awesome. And this, my friends, is the silver play button, officially known as the YouTube Creator Award, sent by YouTube to celebrate the milestone of 100,000 subscribers. So I thought, since my channel is all about sharing Korean culture and my daily life, why not make this video and explain it too? Let me tell you a bit about how this award works. To get the silver play button, a channel needs to hit 100,000 subscribers. But it's not just about the numbers. YouTube also checks that your channel is actively uploading, has original content, is in good standing, not misleading, spammy, or scanning. Basically, YouTube wants to make sure you are creating meaningful content and following the rules, which I always try my best to do for you all. So, how long did it take for me to reach this milestone? Well, my first explainer video was about Hangul Day, and I uploaded it on October 15, 2024. Then on August 21st, 2025, I hit 100K. So it took me just over 10 months. And honestly, I never thought this would happen so fast, or even at all. After I reached the milestone, I got an email from Society Awards. They are the one who makes the Creator Awards for YouTube. Inside was a unique redemption code, which I entered on the redemption portal, along with my channel name and shipping info. And after about a week, voila, this beauty arrived. And guess what? It doesn't stop at the silver. YouTube also gives gold play button at 1 million subscribers, diamond play button at 10 million subscribers, and the super rare red diamond play button at 100 million subscribers. So, do you think pawnkueen could hit 1 million someday? Honestly, I didn't even think I'd reach 100K. So, who knows? Anything's possible when you've got the best community ever. Alright, time to give this award a proper home. There. Doesn't it look amazing? This isn't just my award, it's ours. Every single one of you helped me get here. And I will keep working hard to bring you content that's informative, fun, and uniquely pawnkueen. From the very start, I've wanted to create a space where I could share Korean culture, stories, and the little place of my life with the world. And thanks to you, this space has grown into something special. If there's something you'd love to see on this channel, topics, ideas, deep dives, drop them in the comments. I read everything, and I truly value your input. Thank you again for being here, for subscribing, for supporting, and just for being you. Let's keep pawning together. See you in the next video.